Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a very special guest. I thought I would do like a client YouTube video tutorial style thing just to see how I do makeup on other people, because sometimes people want to know that. So yeah, that is today's video. It's a little bit awkward because we're not used to it.
So explain to your viewers what the look was. Autumnal
So
vibes.
bossy. So anyway, this is kind of the first autumnal look we're going to do on this channel, and it's very purple-esque, which is something a bit different, I think. I don't think I've ever done anything like this, but it's cool. So yeah, that is today's look. Keep on watching if you'd like to know how I did it, and let me know down below what you think. Let's go! Okay, so I'm gonna do a voiceover today. As you can see, I've not done a voiceover in ages, so hello and welcome to my channel. So as you can see, the first thing I'm doing is putting some eyebrow product through Beth's eyebrows, and I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ash Brown, and I'm just creating like that ombre effect by just going lighter in the front of the brows and a bit darker in the tail. And then I've just primed the lids with some concealer, and this is just going to be our base for the eyeshadows. I then just went in with this purple shade in the crease and on the outer V. This is just a few shades from the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, and some of the purples from the Stacey Marie Carnival palette as well. And I just blended this through the crease and onto the outer V, and I've just flicked it out onto the outer V just to elongate the eye a little bit. Then I took some of them red shades, so I think it was called Spark in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I just used that to blend out the purple shade. I took some of the orange from the Carnival palette as well after this, again just to blend it out. And basically I just go backwards and forwards with the purple and then with the warm shades just to blend it all out until I think it looks how I want it to look. So I want it to be really opaque in the crease area, and then I want it to blend out nicely towards the brow bone. I then went in with the concealer that we first went in with and just used this to cut out the crease. Took it about halfway, 3/4 of the way, and blended this out. I then went in with this gorgeous red shimmer shade. It's from the Morphe 35F palette, Fall into Fall, but any red shimmer shade will do. Then just took some of the NYX glitter glue and the Peaches and Cream Pigment Gatsby and just packed this onto the center part of the lid, so creating like that cut crease halo eye with that gold shade and just blending it all together, just going back and forth with that blending brush to make sure everything looks nice and seamless. I then just took a light shade to highlight the brow bone. I then just went and put some eyeliner, some mascara and some lashes down, and I just fast forwarded through this bit.
Now you're stopping the film, doing the other eye.
Okay.
And then we're doing the base. Do I look like RuPaul's Drag Race? And
now for the skin and the base. Beth had quite combo skin, so I put some MAC strobe cream on some of her drier areas and put the Benefit Professional on some of the oilier areas just to balance out that combo skin.
And then I'll be like, I hope you cut that bit out.
And then I took MAC's Pro Longwear Foundation on a fluffy brush and just put this on her face and blended it down her neck as well because it was a little bit dark. And then I used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer underneath her eyes, on her chin, on her nose and on her forehead. And then I'm just setting it down with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, the light one. And then just taking the Fit Me powder to set it down as well. I then went back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit just to bronze up and contour the face. And I used some of the contour colour to contour the nose as well. I'm then just highlighting with the highlighting shades from the Carnival palette.
Last day work, then I'm in Amsterdam.
Oh my god, are you gonna vlog it? See, this is a perfect opportunity for you to vlog.
How's it going? I get you like by the pool. Yeah.
Oh nice. Oh, you're not doing filming?
Yes, we're filming. Yeah. She's gonna howl now watching this bit back.
I know, I'll have to leave it in, yeah, with the music, like without the music.
And then just running some of that purple shade along the lower lash line. And then I just took some of the reds on a fluffier brush just to blend that purple out. And then we just took this Rimmel lip liner in, I think it was called Cappuccino.
Make sure to make my lips look like Kylie Jenner's.
I'll try.
Can I not have an audience, please?
Oh, I wish I would have. That's my face there. You could have done my nose.
What, and then go to yoga with a face full of lashes? RuPaul's Drag Race stood you in.
I then just added MAC's Yash onto the centre of the lips and then put MAC's Whirl on the outer edges just to blend them all together and make this perfect 90s nude. I then just took the Peaches and Cream lip gloss in the shade Bambi just to finish off the look. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.
Let's do an outro now. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what you thought of it. Click the subscribe button, the like button, all of that. And I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.